welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda. In today's video, I'm refinishing this piece of wood I found at Goodwill. So it's got two drawers. It appears to be solid wood. Once I start sanding, if the top is not solid wood, I'm probably not going to stain it and instead paint the whole piece white. So I'm going to start off by sanding with a 60 grit sanding paper, which is medium. And then I'm also going to take off the handles so I have a flat surface to start sanding. And probably will also take out the drawers. I quickly realized I couldn't take out the drawers, so I started off by sanding. I was so excited to start this project. I started sanding that night. The following day, I realized that the top wasn't solid wood. I guess I should have known, because as I was sanding the night prior, you could tell it was easily showing the wood, and that typically doesn't happen if it's a solid wood. It takes time for you to see the actual wood. I'm just doing some light sanding before I start painting. This appears to be more wood than the top was. The top, I think it's an MDF or some particle wood. Painting is one of my favorite parts, especially once I get to the very end and see the final product. Now that I look back, I would have put a tarp down just so I don't get paint on the floor or the carpet, and also putting on clothes that you're okay with getting dirty. I had these shorts, which at one point I got paint on them. I quickly rushed to wash it off so it wouldn't stain. And the other thing, it's very hard painting in between the crevices, so I was using both a foam roller and a brush just to get in those hard to reach places, and then going over it with the roller. The paint color is Alabaster by Sherwin. I was also sanding in between coats so that I would have a smooth surface. With the foam roller, it leaves behind residue, so you want to sand in between the coats so you have a nice smooth finish at the very end. After days of hard work, here's the finished product. I'm so excited at the way it turned out. I would have loved for the top to be stained, but it's not solid wood. I still love it regardless. I'm just finishing the final touches of adding the handles. I put the same handles that it came with, so I'm gonna put it next to the bed and then just put some decorations, so stay tuned. The majority of these decorations are from thrifting, except for the lamp. The books I love. They add a touch of color, and of course a nice picture frame, the glass container to store some items, and then the glass dish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you soon.